welcome to episode 50 of Credit 101. In this episode, we're going to talk about you guys checking your credit reports monthly. So I know a lot of people after they fix their credit, they actually stop looking at their credit. Like once it's fixed, they don't think they have to look at it. And that's not true, you guys. I suggest that you check your credit reports monthly. I check mine still every week, but I'm kind of obsessed sometimes every day, depending on what I have going on. But I do suggest that you guys check it monthly, especially if you have everything fixed, you're not planning on applying for anything. Just check it monthly because you never know what can pop up. Somebody can steal your identity, possibly. You could have new negative accounts added that you didn't know about because they send things to your old address, previous address. You just don't know. So I do suggest that you check it monthly. Now, again, just once a month would be fine. You could check all 3 credit bureaus. Just confirm that the information that they have on there is correct for you. And also review emails about new accounts. I know Credit Karma, I have that. You guys can have the Credit Wise with Capital One. That's another one. Also, my Navy Federal would let me know, hey, you have a new account. You have this going on, that going on. So definitely they'll email me. So definitely look out for those emails. You can do the 14-day free trial with Aura. Aura will also send you alerts. So that's really nice. Go ahead and use my 14-day free trial. Go to aura.com/Rickita. Try that because they'll let you know of any information, like if your information is on the dark web or whatever is going on in terms of new inquiries, new accounts. They'll keep you up to date. And if there's any fraud, that's what they're there for. They'll let you know about it. Also, Credit Karma. This is the one where if there's any new updates, I'm telling you, Credit Karma is going to email you right away. Even when you apply for new credit, they're going to say, hey, you got a new inquiry. That's how you know they actually pulled your credit. But definitely Credit Karma will let you know right away about that. Also, look into Credit Sesame. Credit Sesame let you know what your credit scores are also. And then Identity IQ, I should have a link down below in the description where you can get all 3 of your credit reports and scores for just $1 with their $1 trial. It's going to be for 7 days, but they'll let you know if you have any updates also, and they'll give you your monthly report. But I just like to, if you guys don't want to pay for it, like if you're going to building your credit, fixing it up, you probably don't need to necessarily pay for it, honestly. Pay to keep looking at your credit. I would just suggest if you guys don't want to pay anything, just use the Credit Karma and you should be fine. And then get that Experian app too. I don't have it on here, but definitely get that Experian app because they'll let you know what's going on with Experian because Credit Karma does not have Experian. So let's go over to episode 51. In episode 51, we're going to talk about things that you guys should do before you apply for a loan. Like you better do these things. So I'll see you guys there.